And look at that. Just did 1000 kilometers, 000.9. Well, 1000 kilometers and 900 meters. That means I have to replace the engine oil and oil filter. And that's what we're gonna do right now. Last but not least, this one. And with a 17mm spanner, you take this one out. And I'm pretty sure that's not going to be enough, so we have to put the bike down and put it on the side stand to drain the oil really good. Just like that. It'll drain all the way down. Now let's remove the oil filter. It comes out by hand. That's good. And as we wait for the oil filter to drain, nice and clean, we'll put it back in place. Okay, now we have to apply some oil, fresh, better. If you don't have fresh and you have just used oil from your engine, that's fine. Otherwise it will be very, very hard to come up. I'll use, again, Belray mineral oil that I used last time for the braking in of the engine. Pretty good mineral oils for these bikes, they're made for this. And some people told me it's better to put mineral oil in the FZR1000 than full synthetic or semi-synthetic, because you have the original Yamaha clutch. The full synthetic or semi-synthetic, it doesn't work very well with them. That's what they told me. But also the starter clutch doesn't work very well with it. Can't accept it. And the starter clutch, to replace it, blimey, big story. So let's put this on. Okay, and the oil filter goes right in there. And once it stops, we tighten it by hand. One hand, not two, unless you don't have a good grip, so you'll use two hands. And then let's put some fresh oil. So we'll go with mineral oil 1040 Belray, and the reason for this is everybody suggests it's best for these bikes. The manufacturer does at least. I believe them. I don't want to risk anything. Plus, this motorcycle, it won't be doing more than 1000 kilometers every year because it's on club permit. That means I'm only allowed to ride it for 45 days every year. If I want, I can extend it to another 45 days, but given the weather in Victoria, it's a bit bipolar. I don't think I'm going to ride it for more than that. Anyway, let's put 3 liters now and see where we are. So I put 3 liters in there. Let's start it for 30 seconds. After we stop the engine, 5 minutes later, we're gonna check the oil level. And this is where you check for the oil, through that hole in the ferry. It has to be on that line. And the bike has to be vertical position, so it's helpful if you have a friend of yours, get on the bike, hold in vertical position, which is somewhere there. And it is all done. I'll see you on the next video.